Hello, now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Manchester United 3 and Arsenal 1. And we get Oga Shozzy will be very ogbonge Arsenal fan. Make us tell us about how you see the game. Oga Shozzy, normally you talk saying Arsenal be the Odidigbo Igbo 1 of Africa. But what's going to happen to the Odidigbo Igbo 1 of Africa for this match?
Uh, basically, I lost to a better side. You understand?
No excuse.
No excuse. No, I lost to a better side. And if we check this rival, Manchester United always they get edge over us when it comes to home advantage. You understand? So everything we say, man, you play, they try. You understand? We get the possession, we get the ball, everything, but they get the winning. So to me, if like say Manchester United, they don't see our football now from wing. Now we say they enter there. So they make sure say their defense, they very, you understand, the fence and when it comes to that, our two wingers, Martinelli and Saka, you understand. But we try, we play well. So I lost a better side.
All right, I'm going to ask you about Arsenal midfield and defense today. What do you think say go wrong for Arsenal for that midfield and defense? Because it can't be like say the midfield open one kind. For my own opinion, the way I say I'm about, what do you see from Arsenal midfielders and the defenders' performance for this match?
Basically, our defense they okay. Now the midfield now be the problem. You understand? I don't remember maybe some series ago I complained about midfield because I know who Thomas Partey be. Thomas Partey must always get injury. Thomas Partey injury, so now affect us. This Egyptian guy injury self, Eleni self now still affect us. You understand? So since we not sign our midfield I not lie, you go see affect us for our next match. Mostly where we say Arsenal they use that same formation because now nobody they hold that midfield for us, and nobody feel they carry that ball they come front. You know, so if we lose that ball before you know, they don't pass our midfield. Before you know, they don't reach our defense. Now, and once you don't pass me, if you don't hit that defense, now 50-50, either you score or we carry the ball off your leg. So now midfield now really affect us, and it's very painful because even our next man said we're not even sure that those players they come back. So it's very painful. Now midfield beating.
All right. Make I ask you now. You talk about the midfield now, and the players when Arsenal miss for this match, Mo Eleni and Thomas Partey. You think that Mikel Arteta, the Arsenal manager, and Gaspar Edu will be Arsenal sporting director? You think that they make mistake not to sign midfielder before this transfer window close? Wait for people cover that space. Wait on day for the midfield.
I believe they make great mistake. I believe they make great mistake. But I just pray may they not repeat this mistake again. You understand? I just pray may January reach maybe say they bring midfielder because there's no way you go fit there without midfield. If once midfield not there, no matter you who score go reach self, they must score you back. So I just pray may January reach. Therefore cover the transfer because I they expect say even on that deadline day that Douglas Lewis said make them come. You understand? Even today now say we not get anybody who will convert. Lokonga we not say Lokonga not strong for that midfield. Lokonga not strong, not be that boss to boss midfielder. Now that boss to boss midfielder now we need. We dey feel they go front, we dey feel they carry for go front, but who go call the hold the ball? Somebody like Ndidi. You understand? Telemans, all those things are people we say we need. So I pray say January make them bring midfielder for.
All right, now I want to ask you now. This one now, because we know when Arsenal start the season very well, many people talk say, nah, initially got Arsenal day. You think say Arsenal go feel recover for the next game now? Because now they don't lose against Man U now. After they win straight 5. You think say Arsenal go feel respond for the next match, go back to winning ways? Because many people say Arsenal now when they start to lose one, they go lose the next one. You think say Arsenal go feel respond for the next game?
Well, to me, when Arsenal play, I not just say Arsenal go lose the next match. Because to me, the only thing that make Arsenal lose this match now because of that midfield. You understand? Then Manchester United, their defense, they like say understand Arsenal and win football that they play. So I know basically say our next match will not feel lose. And so anybody where they feel maybe as Arsenal lose one, they call lose one now. Maybe the person just no say down a big line. Arsenal not feel lose the next match. Because if you will look for possession for corner, we get a pass. And I tell you just say the wing they try. You understand? I was saying just say the team they press forward. But you know they feel they hold the pressure when we say their opponent they give them. If we feel counter that thing, then we are good to go again.
All right, now I want to ask you about Europa now because many people they talk say last season Arsenal to win their chance to qualify for Champions League because they know they play Europa League, Europa Cup, they not play for Champions League. You think say Arsenal go fit combine Europa League now this season plus the the Premier League and go fit finish for the season, maybe for top 4, or they go fit win the league with Europa League?
Basically, that top four will win am. You understand? That one na sure banker. So whether Europa or no Europa, because when they talk, even Man City, Man U, all of them, they go play Europa football. You understand? So the only disadvantage I say they play on Thursday. They will go play maybe on Saturday or on Sunday. So you understand? I believe say fatigue not go worry us. So I believe because now so even Chelsea, even Man U back pass where they can't score against us. They see they struggle. We know say Man U they struggle. Man U never pick that their number 4 when they take. Now let Man, even Man City self, but this is the way they draw. Sure you understand me. So I believe say the same way we say happen to us, I see they happen to everybody. So if fatigue happen to us, fatigue will see happen to other people. If the rest people they say they're strong, you see, we'll see go because we still get like 2 players so we say we never even test. So those 2 players, even though they use them for Europa Cup, you understand? We they use Marquinhos, we they use that Vieira, we they use Vieira for Europa Cup. They probably use Inketa for top 9 for Europa. Plus the Smith Rowe and they play regular startup. We feel they use them for Europa so that we bench our normal regular startup. You understand? We play for Premier League. If we feel balance that tonight, that means we are good to go.
All right, now, Shozzy, thank you for your time, your face show, and your shoe shine.